Hello everyone, welcome to the video tutorial for the Etsy configuration. In this video tutorial you'll learn how you can upload your product according to your requirements. Before uploading your products on Etsy from export feed, you would want to go on the Etsy configuration page and set up the configuration according to your requirement. Before setting Etsy requirement, I'll let you know all the information you need to know regarding this configuration. So let's start. So if you want, to go onto the Etsy configuration page, you want to click on the detail on the Etsy sales channel. After you click on here, you'll be redirected on this page. First of all, you'll be given this page with the Etsy app connection status as completed and shipping details, and then you would want to go on the Etsy configuration. In this configuration you'll see a bunch of drop down with a checkbox lists, so I'll explain you each and every one. So before listing your product on Etsy, just go through this configuration and select all the options as per your requirements. So who made it, so you can choose either collective if you are not the manufacturer but someone else is manufacturing your product for you, and this one goes the same. And when it was made, so you'd want to select when the product was made. If it's a vintage product, you can select these all according to your requirements, and if it was created recently, then you can select 2010 to 2019. And if you don't have a product yet, but after someone orders your product and you will make it, then you can click make to order, and this option states that the state is that if you upload your product on Etsy, in which state you'd want it to be. Would you want the product to be in the draft or the active section or on the inactive section? So in draft, if you want to upload your product on draft, a listing fee is not required. So if you want your product to be directly uploaded on active section, then for each listing it will cost you $0.2. And for what it is, so if the product is already a finished product, then click that, and if it's a supplier tool to make things, and a listing type, it's a physical or a digital. And so this option states that if you list your product on Etsy, the listing validation is up to only 4 months. So after 4 months the listing will be deactivated. You have to renew it. So if you click on manual, then you have to renew the listing manually after 4 months or 3 months. But if you select on this automatic, so after the listing has been expired, it will renew it automatically, and it will cost you $0.2 each time for every product. So this is the most important part you have to know. So what this option does is that update titles on Etsy. So whenever you have updated your product title on Shopify, then that title will be automatically update on Etsy if you select this checkbox. But if you don't, then it will not. And we recommend you to do this if you are constantly updating your product on Shopify, and if you want that changes to be done on Etsy automatically. So same goes with Etsy descriptions. So any description modification done on the Shopify will be automatically be updated on Etsy if you select this option. And this same goes with the tags. If you want your tags to be updated on Etsy, then you would want to click this. And these are the images. Like if you delete some image and want a different image, and if you do those modifications on your Shopify, then those changes will be automatically done on Etsy. And as for the price and quantity, those will be automatically be done. And this is the order sync option. So if you only want inventory sync, then you can change from here. But then, when you add the sales Etsy sales channel at the beginning, you'll be choose to select any of these. And in the future, if you'd like to change, we have provided this option over here. So after you have selected all the required configuration according to your requirement, that you can click on update configuration, and the configuration will update successfully, and you can start creating a listing on Etsy and start uploading your product on Etsy. Thank you.